TCS, India's IT giant. But with markets on edge, is the stock still a safe bet, or time to sell? Let's analyze with help of our AI-powered fundamental analysis. TCS stock and find out, buy, hold, or sell. Tata Consultancy Services, a global leader in IT services. Founded in 1968, operating in over 150 countries, and the crown jewel of the Tata Group. With a market cap exceeding 13 lakh rupees crores, TCS is among the top 10 most valuable IT companies in the world. TCS provides cutting-edge IT solutions, cloud computing, and AI-driven services to global clients. In FY24, TCS reported a revenue of over 2.5 lakh crore rupees, with a solid net profit of 43,000 crores. The US market contributes more than 50% of its revenue, and digital services lead the way. Promoter holding stands strong at 71.8%, and it trades at a price-to-earnings ratio of 26.8. With an excellent return on equity of 51.5% and a very low debt-to-equity ratio of just 0.09, TCS shows strong financial discipline. Over the last 5 years, TCS has delivered nearly 90% returns. The stock recently touched 4,200 rupees, now cooling near 3,650 rupees, and continues its strong dividend legacy. TCS is backed by strong financial performance and continuous product innovation. With positive trends in AI, cloud, and tech adoption, the company is well positioned to ride the digital wave. But it's not without challenges. Segment performance remains mixed, geographic growth is uneven, and there's a cautious global outlook, especially from key international markets. At a price-to-earning of 28, TCS is slightly more expensive than peers like Infosys and HCL. But based on growth, its PEG ratio suggests a fair valuation for long-term investors. Brokerages like Motilal Oswal and ICICI Direct have buy ratings, with targets around 4,400 rupees. Analysts call it a stable compounder, ideal for patient investors. Our final verdict on TCS is as follows. If you're a long-term investor, TCS looks like a solid buy on dips. For traders, wait for a breakout. In any case, this stock remains a blue-chip gem in India's IT sector. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research before investing. Like the analysis? Hit like, subscribe to Global Wealth Insights, and tap the bell icon. Don't miss our next stock breakdown.